Hello, my name is Mira Gibbons. I'm 14 years old and I'm a freshman at Washington High School. And 4 years ago, I started a nonprofit violin business where I play at senior living centers, libraries, schools, stuff like that. And 2 years ago, we started the M&M Trio with myself on the violin, Mila on the cello, and Noah on the piano. And since then, it's turned into M&M Trio and Friends, as you can see on your program. So today we have quite a few special guests. We have Zarin on the drums, Nathan on the violin, we have Edward singing, and Maximilian playing piano and guitar. We'll be playing a mix of classical songs and some songs you might recognize, so we hope you enjoy. The first song we'll be playing is Somewhere Over the Rainbow.
Thank you.